Yo, what's up? It's CCV Media Production, and today's tutorial is going to be on OBS Studio. All I'm going to do is show you the basics of OBS, okay? How to capture a screen, how to record YouTube videos, and how to record yourself. Most of this studio is used by youngsters when they playing video games. So before you do this, first thing you actually want to do when downloading it, make sure that is the updated version, is the latest version. So I already did that for you. All I'm going to do now is launch the OBS. Okay, I'm gonna reshare. Okay, boom. Okay, right now I am sharing the OBS screen. I am going to create a new setting down here saying CCV setting. Okay, you see in this scenes window, you could set up different scenes. CCV setting. Doesn't matter what you create, this is what you're going to do. Add scene. Boom. Now it's down to 0. Now, if you look at the sources right here, I have nothing. But if I wanted to add, this is what I would have to do. I go on plus and you see a whole litany of choices that comes at my display. Okay, now you wanted to display capture or video capture. Let's go with the video capture. Okay, video capture device. Fine. Now, when the video capture device comes up, you got this device that says new tech NDI video. These are the sources that you would use to capture yourself. Now, hopefully this works. Hopefully, because I'm using something else to capture this, it's not going to override my camera. Let's see how that works. Great. So um, the video capture device, it's it's used to capture yourself. Okay. You could expand that, put that in the middle. The reason why it's like this is because the camera, the specs of the camera, if you connected a different camera, then it would be a lot bigger. Or it would be 1920 by 1080, but this is not. Okay, this is my computer camera. If you used another interface where you could get a 1080 by 1920, then you would see a different spec. Okay, so now you're looking at me. Okay, so all you're doing right now is when you're using OBS, if you just did this right now, you're just recording video. Now, how do I record sound? Okay, well, let's do that. Let's capture, let's get a video capture. Go to that plus sign under the sources, right? Under here. Go right here. Let's see, audio input capture. So I am going to just, I'm going to leave it just like that. But what you would do is you would pick microphone. Let me see if that initially works. Okay, so now you look at my audio mixer. You see the sound of my voice, this is bouncing. So ladies and gentlemen, in OBS, this is basically what you're going to see. Okay. These two are the main. If you want to record yourself, you want to do a video, you want to do a podcast, these are the two main things that you're going to do. Now, you wanted to record, you want to capture screen, record maybe a YouTube video, okay? Something that you're going to use to chop it to pieces, whatever your use is. Again, you go back to the sources and you hit on plus and you go to display capture, okay? I believe it's display capture. Hope I'm not wrong. Okay. So you see the recurring, like you see what's going on over here, right? So this is going, if you have one computer, you do not have an extended computer, you're going to see this. All you do is minimize the OBS, open up whatever you're going to open, and you're going to capture whatever is on that screen. So again, you're going to minimize the OBS with this chosen like this. With this chosen, okay, like that, you are going to minimize, okay, first, of course, you're gonna fix it to the size of the screen that you have, right? Boom. You're gonna adjust the handles as you can see, right? The handles, you see me behind there, right? Um, there's different stuff I could show you in the future, but this is just to capture the screen. If you have one laptop, what you're gonna do is you're going to bring your display capture, okay? If you want to turn off your video yourself, you're gonna see this eye, boom. That means you won't see yourself anymore. Let me show you. Move this on top. You can move these. So if I did this, boom, there I go. You close the eye of the camera, similar to um, other like programs that you would use where you see the eye, you close the eye and then it goes away. So now I'm going to actually play something or capture something. Okay, right now, okay, this is not what I wanted to capture. Let me make sure. Okay. Okay, right now I'm capturing my website, which is CCV Media Production. I should be capturing this right now. It should be showing on the OBS. Okay. But so this is going to be a little tricky the way it's finalized, but I'm capturing the screen. All right, let me just stop that. Scroll. All I wanted to do is basically capture the screen. Okay, so I'm just having fun showing you a little bit of my work here. Okay, here's just another one. Just okay. So I'm going to minimize this. Now I was capturing that in OBS. I'm gonna record OBS. I might have to implement OBS into this video. So let me record. Okay, so basically this is how I capture. Let me see. I am also right now going to make sure that this is my desktop audio. So it's going to be playing. Okay. As I capture, it's going to capture the sound and it's going to capture my screen. Okay. So check this out. Okay. So you could do that with anything. You could bring up, hold on, let me go back. You could bring up YouTube and do that same thing. Now, if you have, so this is for people that have one screen. So if you had two screens, okay, what you initially would do was go on display, capture, and click on it twice. Okay, now it brings up our properties. Okay, so you're looking at the properties right now, and because I have two screens, look, display two. So now I'm showing the other screen. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it like this, and I believe I'm gonna put this on the other screen. Okay, so now you can see that I'm capturing that. And let me show you. Okay, so I'm basically capturing that screen. If I should have a second screen, so the properties on this give you the ability to record if you have two screens, and it's a lot better when you do have two screens. It is the best. That way you could look at it full screen, and then you could also see what's being recorded. All right, so that's it. That's the video of OBS. Okay, open broadcast system. All right, it's a nice little free program that you could use to capture yourself, to capture YouTube videos, to use it as like a podcast, to use it as a tutorial, like how I'm using it now. And that's it. You know, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video to those that might need to know the basics of using OBS. You know, share this, like this, comment underneath what other stuff you want me to show you. All right. So anyway, I'm signing out. God bless, stress less. Peace.